Qmobile has launched its level's best smartphone that was not ever been shaped nor created before. The device has been named as Qmobile Noir X950, which has been launched with some of the best features throughout the world. A close chaser of world's leading high-end smartphones like Samsung Galaxy S5, Xiaomi Mi 4 and others, Qmobile Noir X950 review will entertain you moving through the review and find out the competition-based similarities and differences between the smartphones. Qmobile Noir X950 has a super-fast processor with 1.5 GHz octa-core X8 speed. The processor is of 64-bit type that is based with the latest technology. The chipset is MT6750 that runs brilliantly with the device and its hardware. The processor runs with 468.0 MHz as its low, and 1495.0 MHz as its high. Personally, the device has been tested with multiple ops and benchmarking tools and the results were the best throughout. Qmobile Noir X950 is sent here with 5 Super AMOLED HD display with 1280x720 dimensions. As the CPU is of MediaTek with chipset MT6752, so the GPU being introduced is of Mali D760 that looks exactly like Qmobile Noir Z8 in both display and interface. Because Qmobile Noir Z8 also has a 5 AMOLED display with Qualcomm chip, yet the interfaces and themes of both Qmobile Noir Z8 as well as Qmobile Noir X950 are the same. Enter text you wish spoken here. The trend for 1GB RAM is going to be decreasing in the near future, especially for the high-end smartphones. It has become a necessity to be more than 1GB. Qmobile Noir X950 has been launched with 2GB RAM that is high enough to handle multiple ops and games with speed, efficiency and swiftness. The device can also use up to 512 MB memory in the secondary memory for swapping the garbage and unnecessary files in the secondary storage. Internal storage is 16 GB that can be extended with a micro SD card in the second port for SIM2. The dimensions of the device are 139x68x5.9 mm that guarantees the high-end gadgets packed in the module with perfection. Slim and smooth shape from both sides, the device lays flat over the flat surfaces. The back portion consists of a hard metallic body that moves around the device at the sides, holding it tightly and saving the internals with self-shock absorbing ability. The upper and lower portions are made of plastic that starts with the nicely polished finishing of the metallic back cover. The weight of Qmobile Noir X950 is 135 grams. The rear camera is 13MP autofocus that captures 4160x3120 pixels snaps. The camera also has features like geotagging, hand shutter, self-timer, shutter sound, touch focus, face and smile detection, picture struct, panorama and HDR. Captures video in high definition 720p. The front camera is 5MP with a new patent like introducing a selfie flash at the front right. Takes snaps up to 2560x1020 pixels and up to 1 MB depending upon the colors and light of the area. The front camera is 5MP with a new patent like introducing a selfie flash at the front right. Takes snaps up to 2560x1020 pixels and up to 1 MB depending upon the colors and light of the area. Having a 64-bit octa-core processor and 2GB RAM and other best gadgets installed inside, the Qmobile Noir X950 is capable to handle any data traffic including 2G, 3G, 4G and 4G. Below 4 images shows the sleek, stylish and unique shape of Qmobile Noir X950 that has the best patent used. First image shows the top edge of Noir X950 with a 3.5mm jack. Second and third image shows the sidewise flattened feature of the smartphone with power button and both SIM jackets at the either sides of the button on the right side and the volume dual button at the left side of the smartphone. The last image shows the charging port that can be used for charging and for data exchange by using the data cable. These images shows the sleek, stylish and unique shape of CMOBILE Noir X950 that has the best patent used. First image shows the top edge of Noir X950 with a 3.5mm jack. Second and third image shows the sidewise flattened feature of the smartphone with power button and both SIM jackets at the either sides of the button on the right side and the volume dual button at the left side of the smartphone. The last image shows the charging port that can be used for charging and for data exchange by using the data cable. As I have mentioned before, that CMOBILE Noir X950 consists of display almost similar to CMOBILE Noir Z8 and Noir Z8 Plus, which is 5 Super HD AMOLED with 1280 x 720 dimensions and smooth round icons with better color combinations. The third and fourth snapshot shows the general and standard interfaces being used by CMOBILE and nearly all the smartphone manufacturers. The most important advantage of these interfaces is that user can have a good idea of the smartphone in no time. The battery and other storage snapshots have been taken to let you know about the performance of battery and the total user storage area and the amount of time left with the battery backup. Although the weight is low and the smartphone seems to be consisting of a battery that would not work for long, yet the results are perfect and the device shows greater backup with low charge as well, as shown in the snapshots below. Benchmarking is the key to categorize a smartphone. As CMOBILE Noir X950 consists of an octa-core processor along with 2GB RAM and 16GB ROM. To check for the worth of a device, it has to be benchmarked with standards. Noir X950 has been checked with different benchmarking applications and games to figure out the performance of the device in our CMOBILE Noir X950 review. Nearly 40,000 score takes the device at the higher end. The images below shows the points, the CPU information, and the third image shows the comparison of CMOBILE Noir X950 with other international score. Our CMOBILE Noir X950 is just below Samsung Galaxy S5, which is a high-end international processor with nearly 42,000 points with Antutu. Such points haven't been scored by any of the CMOBILE smartphones before. CPU-Z is a free application that shows the overall features included inside a smartphone. The first image below shows the CPU information in the first snapshot, the system information in the second snapshot, and the number of sensors and their live functionality in the third snapshot. The unbiased application Velamo shows the status of single-core, multi-core and browser's performance in a single go. After it gives each module its obtained score. The score is then uploaded to the server for benchmarking with some standard smartphone worldwide and shows you the results graphically. You can expect better results from a smartphone with better specs. The results are shown in the snapshots below. Comparing our CMOBILE Noir X950 with some of the international smartphones like LG G3, Samsung Galaxy S5 and Asus Nexus 7, we obtain an overall pictorial presentation of the results. Our CMOBILE Noir X950 comes to be in the third position in the first snapshot, first in the second snapshot and second in the third snapshot. The overall performance is very good and the obtained score takes the device to the high-end category. Consult the performance below.